A few months ago, I got a temporary job. It lasted temporarily, and that made me sad. And my car started smoking. That ended up being an oil cooler filter leak. I'll deal with it eventually. But for now, I get to deal with smoke. All that made me sad, so I decided to work on Devin's room. This is my inspo. Whimsical stars. That's what it looks like.
Oh, no.
Sad dragonflies. But we're going to keep it because I got a job. And I got other things to do. I'm not going to talk about it, but I'm employed. Devin had a chess tournament, so we all went to the state championships where he did really well. He had a lot of fun playing with his friends and playing in a lot of games that lasted for 3 days, and that was a treat. Huh? Ooh, I'm trying to steer with one hand. I'm taking a video of you. Yeah, because we're outside playing together.
You know you can just put the trunk. You can also use it like this.
I think I'm getting the street more than anything. We were having a lot of fun spending time with my grandma at her house. And we got to spend some time at my best friend's house while we house set for her. This is Emma. She's got 2 others. On the last weekend of summer, me and Devin went to breakfast at Jerry Bob's. It was quiet in there. And our Oculus decided to melt, but Meta replaced it, so that was pretty awesome.
Slop.
Thanks, babe! Do you know what? I'll probably get seconds and maybe even thirds. Where's that bread and butter? I want a bite of butter.
Gross.
I'm kidding, don't do that. My plan for Devin's room is to do a Nerf Gun pegboard wall and a shelf. So we're going to start with the shelf by building a shelf by stealing another shelf. This one is in my bonus room, and we're going to just jack it because I don't want to do another one. Scared me.
Oh yeah, shit, no, dark.
Whoops.
Shit.
Look at that. Like this high, or in the middle, like here, or we can do it like here.
I like higher.
You're doing real good, all this one-handed.
Right? Make it smaller, but find better.
Motto: when Alex is home, he builds it alone.
Don't move. Let me get in your way.
Right.
We accidentally installed this one upside down, so we fixed it. We'll fix that later. But it looks good so far. Oh yeah, having a shelf in here makes it look more like a room. Okay, this is what we're working with. All of that stuff needs to get off the floor. I got some 1x1s and some pegboard from Home Depot. I feel like I must have had it exactly perfect. I don't know. I feel like I did it like this. Like, this is not square. He fucked it up!
Oh, yes, sir.
Well, that looks great, right?
That was pretty good.
We came up with these little blocks to help stabilize the pegboard. Can I help?
Just pencil, please.
Pencil!
Right there, right? What do you want? More over?
Oh, do you want magnets so you can know where the things are? This little magnet trick is amazing. You find the studs,
Yeah, that's right.
and it really works.
That's the usual.
Should be about 2 feet right here. Feel the pull.
Just go down to that line. See if you pull another one. Nice. There be the things.
Magic wish time. 3, 3, 2, 1. It's because I have sticky fingers.
I think it's because you're lucky. Okay, so we've got... I look like shit. Got this. Go on the inside. Ooh, dang, this is big.
You're doing a real good job.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Now I'm recording.
I woke up and just started working on this, so I'm legit in my pajamas.
I have a coffee ready for me. I have lots left. Should we go across?
No, save it for another thing, right? Can we just order those
I don't know. I think I can.
Transformers, I believe they're called?
The reveal.
Ooh, seizure. Looks like caca on here. I mean, it looks like crap on video, but it looks really cool in real life.
That's it for next time.
Yeah.
Let me remind you of all of the toys that are on the floor and how many this can hold. And here it is with all of his guns up and complete, and all of his little babies all complete. It really worked out really well. We really love it. Goodbye.